Welcome to Tutorials with David everyone. Today we'll be having a quick how to set up your OurPact app. Of course, setting up the OurPact is pretty straightforward and can help you manage screen time effectively. So let's wanna hear here. So first you wanna go and sign up to their account. You just wanna install their application on your Google app or App Store. Next is sign into your parents' account and choose your subscription plan. So you can also have a free trial, which are 7 and 14 days. It's up to you. Pair your child's devices to your account. So yeah, you just want to follow the prompts for that and then manage your child's device remotely through your OurPact Parental. So that it is. You just want to follow the prompts if you have something or want to adjust the preferences of your likings. That is all up to you.